Okay, so let's just go back. When you read the activity, you will be here in the project tab. You will just see in your page the MedNet one. You click on enter. I have edit because I am here as an administrator. You have the explanation of the project and then the activities. Now you can just see two because we are having this hacker attack on the platform, so you will probably not be able to proceed, but please just let me know. So you will see two, but there will be five, and Ziad will explain you how they are divided for different topics. So you will just click on edit and you will see that like a Word document, a Word page, not a document, opens up. It will be more or less something like this, where you are able to choose your format, where you're able to choose the color, whatever you want to, okay? You can upload pictures and you can also upload videos when you do the activity. I would advise you not to upload the video because it doesn't recognize many formats, while for the pictures it does recognize all the format. So for the video there is another option, which is to upload them on Oxfam Edu YouTube channel, and I will send the tutorial that we have to do so. So in case you want to develop your activities, instead of typing by recording a video, there's no problem. You just have to upload it on YouTube, and I will give you the password for the YouTube channel. So having said this, once you have developed your activity, I will show it offline so that you can have an idea. Once you have uploaded your activity, you will have two options, rather three options. You can save it as a draft, and so your activity will not be visible to anybody else but you. You can cancel it, which I don't recommend it because you lose the whole activity, or you can publish and close it, which means that this makes your activity visible to everybody else. In case you publish and close your activity before it is really ended, and you want to add something else, you just write to us, okay? There is the help button on the page, and so you just ask for help and we will reopen it again for you. So this is when we will be so you click on here and the Word page will open. I cannot do it now because it stops me. I'll show you. It stops me like this. So I'll go back. Once I have published and closed my activity, I will be able to see it here, and everybody else will be able to see it here in exchange between schools. So now you see all the projects that I have, but you can click on MedNet, which is our project, MedNet 2. It's gonna take a while. The page is called, as you can see, it is called MedNet 2 because, exchange between schools, because it was originally done for schools, as I've repeated to you some time. So let's try again. Okay, here we are. So now we are in the exchange between school tab, in which you should be able to see everybody's activities. So you see here that 218 classes, so people have registered these activities. So you will be sharing your thoughts with 218 people so far, but we want to have like 450 people. This is our aim, for which I really ask you to collaborate. And you click on enter. So here you will see all the different activities that are also on the project page, but these activities to which people have somehow worked on and replied to. Okay, now we're in, and you can see, for example, that for this activity, something has been developed. So for the career guidance one, there is an answer, which is mine, of course, that answer to the activity. So I have uploaded a picture and I have written my text answering to what was asked in the activity. If you want to have an idea of the activities, since I cannot show it from here because the computer blocks me because of the hacker attack, Ziad has all the activities. One last important thing before I leave you to your amazing moment with Oxfam Edu is that we ask you to complete a very, very short test, let's say, in which we just want to know how much you know about one of the topics that you choose, and one very, very short evaluation questionnaires at the end to see if it was useful, if you learned something new, etc., etc. So just keep that in mind. So once you have published and closed your activity and you have done the evaluation questionnaire, your activity will be visible, we will receive the result, and you will receive a certificate from Oxfam Italy of participation in the activity. For each activity you participate in, you will receive a certificate. So I just invite you to participate in as many activities as possible. If you have any doubts or questions or whatever, Ziad knows that I'm here for you, so don't be afraid and go ahead. If the platform doesn't work for the first days, do not worry. Just ask Ziad to send you the activities in the file, in the doc version, so that you can complete them offline, and as soon as the platform works, you can upload them again onto the platform. I hope this doesn't sound very complicated for you, because I can tell you that it is not, and it is very, very nice to see when it's developed and when there is a lot of exchange between different people from all around the Mediterranean area. And I think that Ziad can also tell you about the work that we've been doing, like behind so far, researching the topics and so on. And I can assure you that your point of view will be an absolute added value to those dossiers that we are going to develop and to share with young people from all over the world. So just wish you to have a very fruitful meeting and to have fun, because this is the most important part, that we are all young people. We want to see some change in the world, and we think that by exchanging our view and the knowledge and the competencies that we have, we will have a really, really better world, more human rights guaranteed to everyone, because we all fight for the same things. So thanks again, have a wonderful day, and I hope to read you soon on Oxfam Edu platform. Bye bye.